Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Catherine. I'm just a makeup enthusiast who's wanting to put some fun makeup content onto the internet. Something not so, well, you know, if you've seen any of my other videos, you kind of know my spiel by now. In the summer, I love using a skin tint, something that's very thin, makes your skin really nice and glowy, gives you just a little hint of coverage. I do have acne scars, so it's something that I do like to cover up. I do have my own skin tint, the MAC Sheer Foundation, golden child of a foundation. I love it, but sometimes you maybe just want a little bit more coverage, and sometimes maybe you just want to buy one foundation and you don't want to have to buy all the different formulas. I like to buy all the different formulas, but anyways, this is another MAC product. It came out, I believe, last year. It's the Studio Radiance Serum Powered Foundation, lots of skincare benefits. I just love how it looks on the skin. It's like a medium coverage, really skin-like, gives you a little extra glow though. But I find sometimes it doesn't always sheer out nicely on the skin. And so I thought if I combine it with a kind of mixing medium, it will just do what I want almost as a skin tint, right? Am I making sense? I don't know. So anyways, the other day I combined it with, this is the mini version, but the Nude Sticks Yuzu and Turmeric Daily Moisturizer. This is my favorite. I got it as like a little free gift when you order on the website. And what happened was I found I was really able to spread it out nicely. It coated like my whole face really fabulously. But because I put the moisturizer in, the moisturizer sinked into my skin, and then it was like a satin finish. It was very nice. I'm wanting something a little bit more glowy. It's summer. I want to look like I'm just kissed by the gods, dewy glowiness. So I'm going to be adding in the MAC Studio Radiance Primer. Let's kind of get started. I'm already chatting a lot. Do you have any fun summer plans? I gotta say, like this summer, I do feel like a boost in energy. I love rain. I love fall and winter, but I'm having a fun time this summer. I don't even probably need a full pump, so trying for half there. And then with this primer, gives you really dewy skin. I almost did half and half there. Very moisturizing. It's great under a matte foundation. But I just thought, here, and we're just mixing that up there, it might work really well to keep even more dewiness in my foundation. I do tend to like to use my fingers. Also, what's nice is kind of making your own skin tint, that, you know, you can sheer it out, put it all over your face, and then just take a few drops from the actual foundation and go into the areas where you want more coverage. For me, it's kind of on my cheeks, my chin, just doing a second layer. Also, the smell of the primer is just so good. And then I like to use what's left on my neck, just so it's all nice and seamless. Gonna take my little mirror, get up close, make sure it's all pressed in. Now, skin tint, that's what it's supposed to do. It's supposed to just give a very light tint to the skin. As you can see, you can still see a lot of pigmentation there. So I take a few more drops. I take my concealer brush. I'm gonna work it in. And then start erasing those areas. More control over how your skin looks. And then it's gonna be more comfy too. In the heat, I don't wanna put a lot of product. Sometimes I do. Sometimes I do want to put a lot of product on. I'm gonna finish my face off camera. I'll show you the whole look together. Okay, and that's the finished look. I'm gonna post the lip that I did on YouTube Shorts, so I might be able to link it in the video if it goes up first. But it's a pretty natural makeup look while still looking makeup-y. The skin is just slightly perfected. It feels nice. It doesn't feel like I have a lot of makeup on, which is key. And that's just like a super simple summer makeup tutorial with a skin tint. Making your own at home. I will see you next time. It's hot.